Hello everyone, this is Rakshini. Water. Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance which is used in our daily life. So, is it not important to take care of it? Yes, of course. We should take much care of it. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how, when to drink water so that you can get the maximum benefits out of it. So, let's get started. In Japan, more than 50,000 people are living more than 100 years. Do you want to know the reason? And comparing to other countries, Japan people are living more healthier. So let's find out the secret of Japan people. Japan people are having a common hobby, and that is getting up right away from the bed. They used to drink more than 1 liter of water. If you know the benefits of drinking water in empty stomach, you will also definitely make it a hobby. When we are getting older, we used to get wrinkles on our face. We can't stop this process. But if we drink water in the morning, this process will be getting very slow, so that you can look more years with young face, and your bloodstream will also increase, so that you can get a super glow. Do you know water is very good for your hair roots? It will make your hair stronger. When we don't drink water, automatically our body will get dehydrated. When we sleep, we'll not get up till the morning, so we'll not get water nearly for 8 hours. So our body will get dehydrated. But if we drink water in the morning, our hair will get enough water and it will be strong and it will be hydrated. And drinking water in empty stomach will also boost your metabolism, so you will feel full. So you will not be hungry. So this process leads to weight loss. In our brain, we will be having 75% of water only. So if we don't drink that level of water, the power of our brain will be decreasing a lot. But if we drink water in the morning, our brain will be active throughout the day. And you can also concentrate more. The water which you drink in the morning will weak the acids which will make stones in kidney. So in future you may not get stones in kidney. As a part of our digestive system, some toxins will be released. If it remains in our body, it causes serious issues like blinding of eyes, urinary disease, diarrhea, headache. But if we drink water in the morning, the process of filtering will be in a good way and the toxins will be flushed out and the food will be digested in a better way. And immunity power will also increase. The blood will also get filtered in a better way and increase in new blood cells. And constipation also will not come. Not only one, we have more benefits. So these many benefits are there in this. So if we don't follow it in a right way, it will be our mistake. So start this process from tomorrow. And finally, one more thing. Please don't eat anything until 45 minutes. If you can't drink 1 liter at once, start with 1 glass and increase day by day. If possible, pour the water in a copper jug for overnight and drink it without transferring in any type of glass, so that the nutrients will be multiplied. So in another video, I will tell you the benefits of drinking water in copper vessel. So to get more such useful videos, like, share and subscribe to Rakshini YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.